Hello and welcome to Clean Slate Credit. In this short video I'm going to be talking to you about bad credit personal loans. Did you know that around 30% of people in Australia have an impaired credit rating? This is from a result of payment defaults and bankruptcies. If you have an impaired credit rating, then getting a personal loan is only a short-term solution. What you really need to be focusing on is restoring your credit report and getting that cleaned up again, taking full control of your financial situation and establishing some goals and objectives so you can accumulate wealth and have a comfortable lifestyle and retirement over the long-term future. So we'll discuss those 3 steps in greater detail. Step 1 is to get a copy of your credit report. The reason we recommend this is so you know what your credit report looks like and you know what adverse listings may be on there and when they're due to come off. This is important to know so that when you go borrowing money from the banks, you can explain why these listings are on there if you have a good enough reason. And if you intend to get money from the banks at some point in the short-term future, you know when those credit listings are going to come off. You can also purchase what Vita Advantage have, a facility called Credit Alert. By purchasing this, you'll be alerted or notified against any changes or issues or future listings that may creep up against your credit report. And it's very important to keep your credit report clean because all lenders and all banks are going to look at your credit report when it comes time to making an application again. Step 2 is to take full control of your financial situation. What do we mean by full control? Well, don't be careless, so to speak, about your finances. Where your money's coming, where it's going, and what financial commitments you have. Make sure that if you borrow money from a lender, no matter how small the amount of money is, make sure that you maintain regular and consistent loan repayments, and by doing this you'll establish trust with the lender and a good relationship with them, and then when it comes time to borrowing money from the lender again, they may even reduce their fees and they would have established a good relationship with you. So that's very important. And step 3 is establish some goals and objectives so you can accumulate wealth over the short, medium, long-term future. What you want to have is a step-by-step strategy and system in place so that you know what your outcome is going to be in the next 3 years, 5 years and 10 years and so on, right up until retirement age. Nobody ever achieves anything without a goal, and we highly recommend that you establish some goals and objectives so you can feather your nest. So these are the 3 things we recommend you implement in order to get out of your financial situation, put yourself back in the driver's seat and take full control of what's happening in your life financially. If you would like to know anything else that we discussed in this video or about any of these 3 steps, then click on the description link below this video or head on over to the website that's listed up above on the top of this screen, and that will take you over to our website where you can fill out our contact form and one of our consultants will be in touch with you to discuss your loan options or any of the other things that we discussed in this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.